Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to install XAMPP. First of all, go to the Apache friends/index.html website and click the first link that appears in your browser. And then from this website, select Linux or Windows to download. I will show you after I finish downloading. After you download, in your local computer and then click to open from the download folder and click yes and then yes again, click OK. From this window click next again and click the location or select folder and then click next, choose your language, then next again. It will install XAMPP to your local computer. You can see that I installed successfully. I click on finish and yes, and then it will open my XAMPP that I installed. So how you can run the XAMPP to create your database and table? So click Start Apache and Start MySQL. You can click Admin and then it will open online. So this page you can open by going in localhost/phpMyAdmin. It will open the same page. So now you can create your table and your database. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel.